Let's stay right there at the airport. And this is a story that hits very close to home here at CBS. We begin with a scary situation at New York's LaGuardia Airport last night. Two regional jets crashed into each other on the tarmac, injuring a flight attendant. A CBS News producer who I'm very close with was on board one of those flights, and he took this video showing how the wing of one aircraft hit the front of the other plane. Tom Hansen is at LaGuardia for us. Tom, good morning.
Hey there, Nate. Good morning to you. Well, a total of 93 people were on board both of those flights. And as you mentioned, that includes our very own CBS News producer, Joey Annunziato. He actually captured video of the aftermath. Now, he described a chaotic scene where people were shouting after the impact and asking each other what exactly happened.
Seems as though there's an aircraft that collided with us.
Just before 10 p.m. last night, Endeavor Air Flight 5047, arriving from Charlotte, landed safely at LaGuardia. But as it taxied to the gate, the plane was struck by another departing CRJ-type aircraft, Endeavor Air Flight 5155.
You guys did clip, correct? Yeah, we did. Their right wing clipped our nose and the cockpit.
We got absolutely smashed by another Delta flight.
CBS News producer Joey Annunziato was on board Flight 5047.
It was super jarring. Everyone shot forward in their seats. And it was kind of a little chaotic as soon as it happened. We were kind of shocked at what happened. We were kind of moving at a pretty decent clip, too.
Annunziato captured the moment right after the collision, which left 5155's wing completely torn off and extensive damage to the windshield and nose of the plane he was on. Endeavor Air is a subsidiary of Delta, which in a statement said that the taxiing planes were traveling at a, quote, low speed.
This is extremely unusual. These kind of things do not happen.
Captain Laura Einsettler has over 30 years of experience as a commercial airline pilot.
There was some very significant force that took place here, so the investigators will look at speed at the time. It can be pretty challenging sometimes at LaGuardia, so it's imperative that pilots are always heads up, looking around.
And Delta issued a statement saying they would investigate what exactly occurred. They went on to say, quote, safety of our customers and people comes before all else. Gail.
That is a standard statement. Thank you very much.